Hey everybody, welcome back to Groundhog's Garage. My name is Jim. We are sitting in my Escalade, and when I got this truck, it didn't come with key fobs, and it didn't come with a third or fourth gear either. I had to do something because all I have is this one key, which is kind of shaky, because what would I do if I ever left this key inside the truck? So I needed to get some key fobs, and doing a little research, you can actually get the newer key fobs that will work with the truck. I got these from Boost Auto Parts, and I'll put a link down below. And while you're down there, why don't you subscribe and smash that like button? But anyway, I never have too much luck with these kind of things and trying to program it, so I thought I'd have you come along and we'll give this a try, and you can either celebrate with me or wallow in misery with me. So basically what you do, you got to put your key in the door, or key in the ignition, and you hold down the unlock, and you hold it down, and then you turn the key on, off, and then you let go, and it's supposed to do that. So then you take the key fob and you hold both the lock and the unlock button at the same time, and you wait. It says up to 30 seconds.
Few moments later.
Nothing. All right, one more time. Key out. Let's come in. Put the key in the ignition. And when you turn it on, you don't want to turn it on to the point where the car starts. You want to put it on to the point where it's kind of like all the electronics come on and everything. So we're going to hold down the unlock button, and then on, off, and let go, and then hold down to lock and unlock at the same time. One down. How about that? All right, let's see if it locks. Not yet. Let's try turning it on. Okay, a lot of things happen here. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Let's try the other one. So it worked. How about that? So what I did is I bought two of these, and this one is actually from my Tahoe, and it's kind of worn out. The buttons stick a little bit, and that's the beauty of these. They're more surface mounted, so you don't get all that dirt and sticky stuff in the perimeter of these buttons. But so I just used the old key fob for the second key fob for this truck, and one new one, and I'm going to do the same thing with the Tahoe, but it actually works. So again, just to go through the cycle, you put your key in, unlock and hold it, and then while you're holding it, you turn the key on, turn the key off, turn the key on, turn the key off, you release, and the truck should cycle. And then you press and hold the lock and unlock button until the truck cycles again, and it could take up to 30 seconds. So you heard it work. If I can do it, you can do it. Again, I got the key fob from Boost Auto Parts, and I'll put their link down below, and hopefully, and the price was right. They're less than $40. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helps you. If you do this, good luck, and we'll see what happens. All right, have a great day.